Hi, I'm Clara Carter, President and founder of MCCSN and Women in Tourism and Hospitality. I am so excited to announce today, April the 6th, we have officially opened our early bird registration for our second annual Women in Tourism and Hospitality Conference that's going to be held right here in beautiful San Diego, September the 8th through the 9th at the Sheraton San Diego Hotel and Marina. To register, go to sdwithit.com, click on that little button in the upper right-hand corner on the screen, and you can take advantage of the early bird rate of just $3.99. Plus, you receive a bonus VIP seating at this year's conference. There is so much more that we're going to unveil, so stay connected on all of our social media channels. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and visit our website. See you soon.